And this is the node where we will import all the metadata. Here, if you see import metadata, web service based data transfer from Employee Central. So here, after maintain the easy instant, like for the enterprise structure, first we will maintain the company, and under that company codes we will maintain, and under that personal areas and person sub areas as a high level of HCM system we will maintain. Here also, if you start the replication from Employee Central to SAP, we need to maintain a easy instant, one ID. Under that ID, we will maintain these organizational data template groups and employee application template group. So this is a easy instant is plays a vital role to import the data from Employee Central. It will facilitate to map the relevant EC fields with the info type fields. This is a very crucial step. We need to download the metadata from Employee Central, and then we need to import. We need to download in the local desktop, and we need to import in the import from the local desktop to this node, so that all the EC fields will be available in the ECPO underscore field table. There is a table where we can map the EC fields to relevant info types and info type fields.
Okay, and Murali, the question that and actually your cursor is everywhere, so I will just ask the in under title of import metadata from Employee Central. As we know, in Employee Central we can download our metadata, which is related with the. And if we change something in EC, like the creating new object or association, we should
Yeah.
upload it again. This is okay.
Yes, that's
But
correct.
there is three actually option. One of them is the web service based data. One of them is the file. One
File
of them
based.
is the yeah,
File based.
file based. Yeah,
Yeah.
and then transport. And so as far as I remember, I have used the second one, but I would like to know about first and third one as well.
Yeah, normally this web services is even SAP not allowing. I mean, many of the clients they are not using the web service based data transfers.
Mhm,
Majorly file-based transfers only. Everybody, every clients are approaching. Even I didn't
mhm.
see the web service based transfer. Even transports is also. We never tried it
Yeah. Okay.
because this is very simple. Just download the template and just import into our SAP system. That's a very flexible,
Mhm,
and even we can know what is the existing. For example, ABC already there, so there is a
mhm,
custom table, custom entry was created in EC, and with the import we will able to see, oh, this D is coming. This is a new field after
mhm,
uh, when we click on the test button, test checkbox, and we will
mhm.
see, oh, these are all the new fields that we're going to update in the ECPU underscore field. So we can have an alert, and we can clearly understand what is the existing, what is the new fields are coming.
Okay,
This
so
like
you are also using the second option, right?
second one.
File
Yes, correct. File
file
based.
based. Okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
that's great. And also, do you know for the Employee Central payroll is the same structure, right?
Employees
Uh,
under payroll, I couldn't get a chance to work on that module,
mhm,
employees under payroll. But I
mhm.
heard that this is kind of same the import style, import way.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And me too as well. And also, this is the actual out of our scope, but and currently, I have actually a system that, actually I'm not actually one-to-one working on it, but there is no employee central one, and just the success factors platform integration they have made the other consultant company have made. We are just supporting right now, and they are actually there is no actually any employee central one, and there is no I think the any integration middleware like CPI,
Hmm.
and they are just integrated the basic info type, basic actually fields and to
Okay.
success factors platform, and
Hmm.
I think the they are not using the BIB, I think, because they have said that there is a program, and also the program is sending the file to AL11. I think this is
Okay.
not regarding this actually configuration step, right?
Correct, correct. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Microsoft, there is a platform where Microsoft had given a provision that is also kind of sending the data from two systems, SuccessFactors to SAP, but
Hmm.
that is not flexible. Many of the consultants, when I given a training, they also said that there are many flaws and many drawbacks. It
Hmm.
is not kind of flexible enough as like BIB. So here we have a lot of provisions like subtypes and the conversion rules.
Hmm.
It is a layman, even a minimum knowledge who has a consultant, they can survive in this BIB, and we can easily troubleshoot where exactly the issue is, what is the value which is coming from success factors to
Hmm.
SAP. That kind of flexible given in the BIB. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, Even many of the clients were also moved from Microsoft. There is a one name I forgot actually.
Hmm.
uh, that is also they are also not satisfied with the service and the troubleshooting methods in the MS. They are converting, they are migrating to SAP using a
Hmm.
HANA Cloud and with the standard application framework. Yeah.
I got you. I got you. Thank you.
So moving on to next slide. So here, this is the notes I'm just want to highlight. Define filters for organizational data application. So here we can filtering out. For example, the department is a field in success factors. We can convert that department to organizational unit as per the SAP. So we can filter out. We can mirror out whatever the the employee central objects and with the relevant SAP org objects. So here
Hmm.
we can have an option to filter out or mirroring out the all the org objects before going to the actual template groups, template mapping. So here coming to employee data integration. So here we have a define employee data settings for settings for employee central instance. So in the initial discussion, I told you that we need to create a employee central instance. It is like one ID where we will move on to the consequent steps, mapping to
Hmm.
the template groups, and under the template groups we have a templates. Under the templates we have a different mappings, conversion rules, value mappings. So this is the main first step. We need to create an employee central instance, and the additional employee central uh, entities like in EC, we have a portlets like job info portlet, national ID info, national ID portlet, and the compensation portlet. So every portlet is defined in the entity. There are SAP provided web services. WS underscore 4 is a job info portlet, and the WS underscore 5 is the org data portlet. And the compensation, we have a different portlets which were tagged to different EC entities. That is a standard designed standard configuration which was given by SAP system. SAP. This is the node where we will see the relevant portlet with the relevant EC entity. So while configuring all the info types or EC fields, we use these entities under templates, so that will facilitate to integrate between the both systems. And this is the third step where define relationship types for managers. This is we never used this. This is an option they had given. I never used it. This. And normally we will go to a fourth step only, define field mapping for the employee data, where we will actual configuration comes into picture here. The fourth step, fourth node. After this, I will show you the actual system and do a detailed configuration steps from them. And this is the fifth step, filtering EC entities for migration employee center to EC based on country.